so cute. You know, I feel like I got a nice little break.
Yeah, I definitely feel recharged.
Me too. I thought I wanted couch, but I think couch can wait.